Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering the essentials: an IDE, the camera API, and a barcode library like ZZing or MLKit. Open your project and add the dependency now, then request camera permission in Manifest or Plist. This prevents runtime denial. Once done, implement a live preview surface and bind the camera frames to your processing pipeline. You do this to avoid lag and false positives, because stable framing and sufficient resolution directly improve detection accuracy. Make sure to log errors during initialization. Now you implement the scanning loop. Grab each camera frame, convert to the decoder format, grayscale or YUV, and hand it to the library on a background thread so the UI remains smooth. You should throttle processing to 1530 frames per second to balance speed and CPU. Once a QR is found, parse the payload and validate expected structure. This avoids accidental scans. Then send a single success event and stop further decoding briefly, because continuous firing will duplicate results and confuse downstream logic. Finish by polishing UX and handling failure modes. Overlay a guide box, add haptic feedback on success, and provide a flashlight toggle for low light. Implement rotation handling and multi-code detection. Choose the most confident result and debounce repeats. Provide a manual entry fallback so users can continue if scanning fails. If things go wrong, check camera permission and format mismatches first. Often the issue is wrong image stride or color format, so log raw frame info and decoder errors to quickly identify the mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.